Welcome back to our DIY skincare series. Today we're diving into the wonders of turmeric and how it can transform your skin. Turmeric is a powerful ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce redness, fight acne, and brighten your skin. When combined with yogurt and honey, it creates a soothing and hydrating mask that can even out your skin tone and add a natural glow. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Grab your notebook because you're just 3 ingredients away from your new favorite skincare routine. You'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, rich in lactic acid. It gently exfoliates and hydrates your skin. And 1 teaspoon of honey, a natural humectant that helps retain moisture and has antibacterial properties. That's it. Simple, right? Now let's mix these ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the turmeric powder, plain yogurt, and honey. Mix well until you get a smooth, consistent paste. This is your golden ticket to radiant skin. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. The mask will feel cool and soothing on your skin. Spread it evenly, avoiding the eye area as you go. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is a great time to relax, meditate, or catch up on your favorite show. Let the mask do its work while you take a well-deserved break. After the time is up, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Be careful as turmeric can stain, so avoid getting it on your clothes. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Enjoy your refreshed, brightened skin. For best results, use this mask 1 to 2 times a week. Remember, natural remedies can be powerful, so always perform a patch test before applying anything new to your face. Turmeric can temporarily stain your skin a yellow tint. If this happens, simply cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser, or use a toner to help remove the stain. Isn't it amazing how a few simple ingredients from your kitchen can transform into a powerhouse for skincare? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I love sharing it. Give this mask a try and let your skin feel pampered and loved. Share your results in the comments below and let us know what you want to see next. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips. I have put the list of the ingredients and steps below. Stay beautiful and radiate positivity. Thank you for watching.